Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Before you replace the lower refrigerator door hinge bearing, be sure to unplug the power cord. Use a Phillips-head screwdriver to unthread the screw securing the top door hinge cover. Slide the cover forward to remove. Support the door and use a 3/8" socket or wrench to unthread the two mounting screws securing the hinge. Lift the hinge straight up to remove. Now have an assistant help you to lift the door off of the lower hinge and set it on a towel or blanket. Using a Phillips-head screwdriver or a No. 2 square drive bit, unthread the screws securing the hinge bearing. Pry out the old bearing. Install the new lower door hinge bearing by inserting it into the bottom of the door. Thread the screw to secure. Reinstall the door by positioning it on the hinge pin. Realign the top hinge. Thread the two mounting screws to secure. Realign the hinge cover and thread the screw to secure. Plug the power cord back in, and your refrigerator should be ready for use.